Let's rate the rides at Nagashima Spa Land here in Nagoya. Based on takot levels lang yung score natin. The higher the score, the more nakakatakot. First is Shuttle Loop. This is just a baby roller coaster. It's really just one loop. So caring-carry lang talaga to. This is not scary at all. 2 crazy coins. Next, we have Space Shot. At first, akala ko ibabagsak ka dito. Yun pala, it's the opposite. It will shoot you up. Not scary at all. And I think it's kind of fun. 1 crazy coin. Next, we have Looping Star. Ito, mas marami na siyang loops. And mas marami rin siyang twist and turn. It's scary, pero it's not too scary. I give this 3 crazy coins. Next one, medyo sinumpa ko siya. This is Arashi. Siguro, based on the video, you would have clue kung anong gagawin sa'yo nung ride na to. Imagine, parang tumatumbling ka na sa paikot-ikot sa seat mo, tapos gumaganyan pa yung roller coaster. Not only was this scary for me, sumaka talaga katawan ko after dito. 5 crazy coins. Steel Dragon 2000. I think this is really fun. Wala siya masyadong loops and turns, pero sobrang taas niya. So if you have a fear of heights, don't ride this one. I'm not afraid of heights, so for me, this is not scary at all. 2 crazy coins. Next is this mammoth of a ride called Hakuge. Sobrang massive nitong roller coaster na to. I think it's really fun, kaya lang kulang sa support sa body. Kitang-kita sa reaction ko how uncomfortable I was. Was it fun? Absolutely. Sumakit pa yung katawan ko? Absolutely. 4 crazy coins. Bonus, nagpunta din kami sa Nagashima Spa Land Water Park. Super daming tao, so isang slide lang yun na try ko. I really thought this was super simple, pero apparently akala nung lifeguard na lunod ako. And siguro nalulunod na ako, so sinave ako ng lifeguard. Not scary at all, pero not a vibe. Yun lang, save this for whenever you're going to Nagoya. Use my codes na ran to get discounts on hotels and activities.